Hi, my name's Rachel Ewens. I'm a mobile strategist and I work on the app blog ladyapp.com. And today we're going to talk about an iPhone basic, and that is how to take a screenshot of your screen. So taking a screenshot of our iPhone is basically taking a snapshot of what's actually happening on the screen at the time. So in order to take a screenshot, we're going to use two buttons and we're going to use them simultaneously. So the two buttons we're going to use are the home button, this one right down here, and then the on-off button. It's the one on the top right up here. So we have to hit them simultaneously to take the photo. Now we're going to do it on three. 1, 2, 3. Now you saw a flash of white. That means the photo was taken. So we're going to check it out. To check it out, we're going to go to our camera roll. And we're going to look at the photos we've taken. And it's the first one in there. So it's actually listed in our photo gallery now. Again, my name's Rachel Ewens, and this has been how to take a screenshot on your iPhone.